Hi, welcome to the channel. Are you a big person? A little overweight? Like me?
Oh, yeah!
Are you looking for an affordable gaming chair that will actually support you? I found a killer deal. It's on Geek.com. A gaming chair supports up to 330 pounds that won't break the bank.
Good news, everyone!
Stick around. It's happening right now. Okay, I ordered this chair on Geek.com. It's a racing high-back reclining gaming computer chair. Right now it's $111. There's only 10 left as filming this video today. You can get it in red and black. You can buy it with other shoppers for $99.90.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
It is brand new, high quality. Has adjustable seat height and armrest height. 360-degree swivel function, removable headrest and pillow and lumbar cushion. 5 wheels. They're very nice wheels. Heavy duty. It's a very comfortable seat. It has leather, so it's easy to clean. Fade resistant. Overall size is 26 by 8 by 31 by 5 by 47 by 6. It is set up for 330 pound weight capacity.
Subtitle: Zip it.
It's a great deal.
Aww.
$111 right now on Geek.com, plus another $12 for shipping. All right, let's take a look at it. Okay, I just jumped through to the assembly part. As you can see here it is. Very nice stitching.
The power of Christ compels you.
Here's the base. It has like a wagon wheel type wheels.
Bruh.
Adjustable arm. It's gigantics.
Oh, hell no!
Here's the back of the seat. Side levers. It's a very high quality, very durable.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's a very nice seat. I took out the lumbar part because it actually hurts my back. I don't care for it.
These cans are defective!
Now I've had this chair right at a month. And this chair is very nice, very comfortable. I'm 6 foot. It will hold 330 pounds, no problem.
I'm not fat, I'm big boned.
So if you're a big and tall person, or you're a little overweight, this chair is a great buy for you.
Just know I have a whole bag of shh with your name on it.
This chair is an awesome deal.
Roger that.
You're really going to love it. If you're looking for a budget chair that will not only fit you, but fit the pocketbook, this is for you.
Yeah.
I'm loving it. It fits me just fine. It's very comfortable. Definitely a good deal. High quality material. You're going to love it. Always bringing you the best budget tech that I possibly can.
They'll be back. I'll just wait.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.